Assalamualaikum. My name is Manan Khokhar.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Abbas and we are from GES Academy. Hey Manan, let's dive into the cell theory today. It's one of the most fundamental principles in biology.
Sounds good. What's the first part?
The first part is that all living organisms are composed by one or more cells. Basically, cell is the building block of life. Everything from bacteria to humans is made up of cells.
So even single-celled organisms like bacteria are considered as living things?
Exactly. In unicellular organisms, one cell does everything, while in multicellular organisms, cells specialize.
That makes sense. What's next?
The second part of the theory is that the cell is the basic unit of life, and it performs all necessary functions to stay alive.
Like what functions?
Taking in nutrients and converting them into energy, reproducing through processes like mitosis and meiosis, and many more.
So even though cells are tiny, they handle everything an organism needs to survive.
Exactly. That's why Sheldon and Shawan put on this idea after observation in 1830s.
Interesting. What's the third part of the theory?
The third part is that all cells come from pre-existing cells.
That must have been a game changer.
Definitely, it was clear that the cell is the fundamental unit of life.
How does modern biology build on this theory?
Well, in multicellular organisms, cells specialize to perform specific functions. Cell theory also laid the base for genetics.
What about stem cells? How do they fit in?
Great question. Stem cells have the potential to become different types of cells, and they offer new ways to treat diseases.
Speaking of diseases, how does cell theory relate to that?
Cell division helps us to treat diseases and many more.
Well, cell theory really is the foundation of modern biology.
Absolutely. In summary, it has three main principles. All living organisms are made of cell. The cell is the basic unit of life, and all cells come from pre-existing cells.
Thanks, Ali. That was a solid breakdown. Alright, everyone, to sum it up, cell theory is the backbone of modern biology. It teaches us how all living organisms, whether single or complex, are made up of cells, capable of performing all essential functions of life. And finally, every cell is made up of an existing one, meaning life continues through cell division. This theory not only shaped the understanding of life, but also paved the way in advancements in medicine, genetics, and biotechnology. Whether we're studying human organs or bacteria, it all comes down to cells.